Hi guys, hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today, dear friends, this video is about dried apricots. So let's get started. Dried apricots or dried apricots is a traditional dried fruit widely enjoyed in Central Asia, particularly in Uzbekistan. It is made by sun-drying ripe apricots, which preserve their flavor and nutrients while giving them a chewy texture and rich taste. Dried apricots are a great source of fiber, vitamin A, potassium, and antioxidants. They are commonly eaten as a healthier snack used in traditional dishes or served alongside nuts and tea during family gatherings and celebrations. In Uzbek culture, dried apricots is often homemade and stored for use throughout the year. It represents both the natural bounty of the region and the time-honored practice of food preservation. Dried apricots are rich in vitamins and minerals, especially vitamin A, iron, and potassium. They help improve digestion due to their high fiber content and are beneficial for eye health. Dried apricots also support heart health and boost the immune system. Eating them in moderation can provide energy and promote overall well-being.